Has your Windows computer just got an error 0x80246007? If so, we are going to go over 8 simple solutions for error code 0x80246007, what causes it, and the typical symptoms that this error displays. We will look at all this and how to ensure that the error does not reoccur, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Symptoms of error 0x80246007 are usually exhibited on a computer system that experiences this error. Let's get into them. The system performance is very sluggish. The system all of a sudden keeps making random lockups. The Windows service seems corrupted. There is a hardware failure. The system applications fail to run. Let us now jump right in and look at some of the ways that can be used to fix error 0x80246007. Number 1. Conductor Registry Scan. The Windows Registry is an important part of a computer operating system. The registry is the central computer database where all crucial data is stored. When this area is corrupted in your operating system, it can show in various ways. When experiencing this particular code error, it is wise to perform a run on your registry to determine if it is the one causing the issue. A professional registry cleaner is used in such cases to detect, troubleshoot and diagnose your computer for such issues and apply fixes where required. The professional registry tool can be downloaded at errorcodestop.com/repair. I'll also drop a link below. Number 2. Restart the BITS service. BITS is an abbreviation for Background Intelligent Transfer Services. This is also a very integral part of a computer operating system. If the BITS service is having a problem running, it can prevent the computer Windows from downloading or scanning new updates. So, when experiencing such a problem, first ensure that the BITS service is running well. This can be done by booting into your computer using the permitted administrative rights. After loading the service tool, you should click twice on the BITS. Press +R and type services on your PC, and click OK. The BITS properties will appear, set the startup option to automatic, and then choose the Start button and click. Then click OK so that you can confirm the settings made. After the above procedure, you will be taken back to Services, then click twice on Windows Event Log. From there, choose the startup type to become automatic, then go to the Start button and click OK. Number 3. Check the antivirus that you have. If the error 0x80246007 occurs when trying to download the latest Windows, there is a possibility that the antivirus program that you are using can be the one causing it. While having an antivirus on your PC is necessary nowadays, some of them may be somehow incompatible with particular updates on Windows. These antivirus program issues can also lead to other problems on your PC. After fixing the error, consider installing and buying other antivirus options that are compatible with your PC. Number 4. Try to change your user control account settings. It has also been found effective that you can try changing your user control account settings when fixing this kind of error. Through this, a person can block all other users and other applications on your computer from running tasks in the background. Number 5. Use Troubleshooter when updating Windows. You can remove error code 0x80246007 from the computer system by trying to run the Troubleshooter. Windows has various troubleshooters that are made to fix issues automatically. To fix the error, follow the following steps. Go to your PC taskbar and then click the icon meant for searching. On the search icon, type the word Troubleshoot. On the right pane of your PC, click Window Update. Then on the PC, click where the words Run Troubleshooter appears. After, Follow the instructions that will manifest on your screen so that error 0x80246007 can start being fixed. Number 6. Conducting a clean boot. A third-party application can tamper with your operating system, resulting in various problems, including the error 0x80246007. In such cases, you will be forced to identify the program causing this issue and remove it. Knowing the particular program can be challenging, that is why performing a clean boot would be necessary. Follow the following steps to perform a clean boot. Start by opening a running dialog by clicking key +R on your PC keyboard. Write msconfig. And then press Enter. Find the Service tab. On your window bottom, look where it is written Hide Microsoft Services and select it. Then click the tab that reads Disable All Button Services and select it. Left-click on the Disable Each button. Go to your PC Startup tab and click it to open the Task Manager. Click to disable it from your PC menu. Repeat this procedure for every application on your computer. Close your Task Manager and then go to System Configuration on your Windows. Save the changes you have made on your PC by clicking OK and Apply after restarting your PC. Once done, you can enable the applications and services to run by using the same procedure above. If the problem doesn't go away and you might have identified the application causing the trouble, you might consider removing it permanently. Number 7. Ensure that the Windows Defender Firewall services is up and running. You should ensure that it is running well. Any malfunction in it can cause the error code 0x80246007. You should follow the following procedure when trying to rectify this error. Locate and open the Services tab on your Windows. Find the firewall on the given list. Check the state of your Windows Defender Firewall to find out if it is running well. If it is not running correctly, right-click on it and select the Start menu. Next, start the services, confirm if the issue has been resolved. To activate Windows updates, you should have the Windows Defender Firewall service. Number 8. Conductor System Restore. When trying to solve error 0x80246007, it may be solved by simply restoring your PC. Follow the following procedure when restoring. On your PC, click Window key +S and then select System Restore. From the list, choose the restore point from the list. Then left-click on the button for restoring the system. Click Next and follow the given instructions that will manifest on your screen. This will complete the process of restoration. After refreshing your PC to its original state, check your PC to determine if the problem is still there. If you found this video on how to fix error 0x80246007 helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit that like button. The links to the PC repair tool and a free guide on how to speed up your computer will be both linked below in the description. Thanks for watching.